Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to unlock chats on WhatsApp if you forgot the password for your hidden chats. Just simple steps through these questions that I will explain, and you will be able to unlock chats on WhatsApp if you forgot the password. But before starting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, please, and I invite everyone who subscribed to the channel to click on the like button for the video, and I hope from the heart that you get everything you wish for. Now, let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, we go to the official WhatsApp or any WhatsApp you have, whether it is official or modified. After that, we click on the three small dots above, then we click on the settings that are here. After that, we click on privacy, then we go down. We will find the chat lock. We click on it. After that, we click on the chat lock. Unlock the chat and delete the chats, but for the secret only. An important point is that when you unlock the chat, in the event that you forget the password, all will be erased and deleted. Chats, the content of written chats, pictures, videos, and everything in those chats will restore the empty chats to the official WhatsApp interface. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video.